Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our quiz question here. We want to go ahead and find the LCD, or the lowest common denominator, given these two fractions. So if you haven't tried the problem, maybe you want to go ahead and try it now. All right, let's take a look at our solution. So let me say right up front, if you already know how to find the LCD and the LCM, the least common multiple, successfully, and it's a little bit different than what I'm going to go ahead and explain here, then stick with what you know. The whole thing is that you're able to do these problems successfully. Okay, and you might have been taught in a little bit different manner, and that's fine. Okay, but let me go ahead and explain how to find the LCD, where I think it makes a lot of sense for most people. All right, so we have 8 and 10 as our denominators. So the goal here to find the LCD, what we need to do is to find the least common multiple of those two numbers, of 8 and 10. And when we do that, we're actually finding the LCD. So the least common multiples, what does that mean? Okay, well, let's just kind of restate what that LCM stands for, the least common multiple, or the lowest common multiple. So what are multiples? Let's take a look at 8 here. Okay, so multiples of 8 are basically, kind of think of it as the times table, right? So we have 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24. So these are multiples of 8. Okay, so as you see, we just continue to go on, 32, then we have 40 and 48, etc., right? So we can keep going on and on and on. Well, those are our multiples for 8. Now, multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, etc. So what we're looking for is the lowest common multiple. So what multiples do these numbers have in common? Okay, well, 8 and 10 have 80 in common, right? These are multiples they both have, but is it the lowest? No, it's not the lowest multiple, or the lowest common multiple. 40 is. Okay, so 40 is the lowest common multiple, meaning, okay, these two numbers were 8 and 10, or our denominators. The LCM, the lowest common multiple of the denominators, is in fact the LCD. Okay, so we would want to have to rewrite these fractions, if we're adding them, for example, both to have the denominator of 40. All right, so hopefully that made some sense to you. And of course, if you want to take more of these math pop quizzes and you're a homeschooler, you'll love homeschoolmathquiz.com. Hope to see you there. Have a great day.